again I brought my burdens. I prayed and prayed that I could lay them down, but walked away still bearing on my shoulders a heaviness and heartache you never meant for me to carry around. But there's peace when I leave it in your hands, sweet peace when I leave it in your hands. Just leave it there and never pick it up again. There's peace when I leave it in your hands. I wouldn't say I've gained a lot of wisdom, but I have learned this much along the way, that you are always there to bear my burdens. At first I might not feel it, but if I learn to trust you, come what may, when I leave it in your hands, sweet peace when I leave it in your hands. Just leave it there and never pick it up again. There's peace when I leave it in your hands. And when I'm tempted to doubt and question you, Lord, just keep reminding me there is peace when I leave it in your hands, sweet peace when I leave it in your hands. Just leave it there and never pick it up again. There's peace when I leave it in your hands. Just leave